Hello, hello. I am
Yes,
audible. My
yes, you
name
are
is
audible.
my name is,
Yes.
and my question is that we are the native people. We are Gujarati,
Mm-hmm.
so we English on the basis of Gujarati. Uh, we
Okay.
uh, we first write Gujarati and then translate into English, but
Mm-hmm.
it is long process. So if we don't follow the translation Gujarati to English, so sometimes
Mm-hmm.
translate into English, the problem is the probability most of problem is done.
Mm-hmm.
So we can directly go on English without base of Gujarati.
Uh, think somebody joined. Okay. I could not hear your name. Can you please repeat your name?
Kishan.
Okay, Kishan. See, this use of Gujarati and use of translation is not a bad thing. It's just one of the methods called translation, grammar translation method. Only thing is you need to get it say faster and faster. If you are following that method, if you are comfortable with that method, nothing wrong. But you need to do it in say more systematic method or systematic way so that you can use grammar translation method, but you have to do it repeatedly and over again so that you can get mastery. So far as Kishan, what do? Are you a student?
Uh, I am a student from Marwadi, but I am currently doing job.
Okay, so you completed your studies.
Yes, sir. I completed.
Okay, now, like, had you been to the Marwadi, we always say that you use Marwadi campus as your say practice, because on our campus we do have students from 22 countries, and
Yeah,
that
yeah.
makes it an available option for you to try and get friends with international students, talk to them, discuss with them. That could be one way. Now, since you have already completed your studies, you may think of say online platforms wherein you can actually engage into say, let's say, social media, where you find some of the friends with whom you can discuss, you can talk, you can chat, and you can use those platforms for language practices. So that could be one way. And I think we did discuss with Ria previously that you can also enroll into some of the courses. And thanks to this situation that we are in, there are plenty of courses available wherein you can say go for online courses and free of cost at home. So those courses could also help you, but you will have to discipline yourself, because see, language learning and especially the proficiency level, see, initial will not be difficult. Only problem would be, like, if we talk in terms of IELTS, then to score 4 or 5 bands is not very difficult. To upgrade yourself from 5 6 level to 7 would be most challenging, because that's called improvising, right? So there what you need is patience, whole lot of patience to, and discipline would be a very good virtue. So let's say if you enroll into any online course, and especially when it is free, it is likely that you will not complete the course because it's free, and that way. So I would suggest that you enroll and also discipline yourself. So before you enroll, take your time, but once you
Hmm.
think that okay, now you are say convinced, then you carry on and don't give up. So that is what I could think of right now. But your goal should be clear, that why do you want to learn English, right? So then
Yes,
accordingly, you will not waste your time into unnecessary activities like reading novels. It won't help, right?
yes. Hmm.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you, Kishan, for your